Rising gold, me light up the chalice, give thanks for the soul. Birds them a chant and the breeze whisper low. Rasta man walk on the green earth slow. Roots in a me veins, Jah fire in a me chest. Meditation deep, me spirit manifest. In a silence, me hear the truth confess. Life a sacred, no need for stress. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool. In a wisdom, me a swim Jah rule. No Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Drop the ego, standing truth alone. High grade aroma, touch throne. In a harmony, me build a new home. Herbs for the healing, herbs for the light. Me no need no pills, Jah guide me sight. One draw bring me close to heights. See vision in a star, them bright. Every puff a prayer, every breath divine. Link with the cosmos, me feel the sign. Time and illusion, me step out a line. In a timeless space, Rasta man align. Drums beat low like ancient code. Ancestral voices in a reggae mode. Me dance with the moon, me chant with the trees. Me reason with wind, me float with ease. This journey not just about blaze and chant. It's about roots and culture. Oh, you plant the seeds of love. In heart them grow till the whole world feel the righteous flow. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool. In a wisdom, me a swim Jah rule. No Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Ital food pan the fire bubbling sweet. Yam cassava, no blood, no meat. Livity clean, heart skip, no beat. Balance me life, me not taste defeat. Sister and brethren, gather in a circle. Share word, share herb. We never commercial. The vibes them pure like river universal. Unity real, no superficial. Chalice pass with respect and care. No greed, no rush, we aware. Each draw sacred like breath of air. One heart, one mind, one love declare. So when you feel lost, remember this line. Smoke with intention, align the mind. Meditate deeply, Babylon behind. In a Jah light, true peace you find. Zion echoes like thunder. your soul. Me barefoot on the red dirt trail. In a earth me trust me never frail. Sky a paint the sunset tail. Birds a sing, breeze a sail. Herbs in a me palm, pure like truth. A gift from Jah, he guide the youth. One spark light it, fire of proof. Meditation, bring back me roots. Me no rush, me take me time. Each breath sacred, each draw divine. It's no party, we are plastic line. It's Livity, real like sacred sign. Breathe in a freedom, exhale the pain. Let the smoke carry blessings like rain. Dance with the wind, don't carry no chain. In a the silence, me hear Jah name. Breathe in a freedom, float away high. Above all worry, above the sky. Open your soul, let the spirit fly. Me dep on the journey, Jah draw me nigh. Me burn Babylon stress, me free me mind. Now follow crowd, me walk Jah line. Me drink coconut water straight from vine. Ital food keep me temple fine. Gang in a background, rhythm so nice. Naya bingy drums, roll like dice. Each beat a heartbeat, sound precise. Life now fi hard, fi feel paradise. Rasta woman by me side, strong and kind. She plant the herbs, she read the sign. She chant the psalms, she keep me aligned. Me blessed beyond flesh, in soul me find. Me burn one spliff under the full moon. Meditate deep, hear Zion tune. Stars a whisper, wisdom soon. Me heart a beat like reggae crude. Me no in a politics, me in a peace. Me no war, me no police. Me no trap, in a fear or lease. Me live free, soul release. Breathe in a freedom, exhale the pain. Let the smoke carry blessings like rain. Dance with the wind, no carry no chain. In a the silence, me hear Jah name. Breathe in a freedom, float away high. Above all worry, above the sky. Open your soul, let the spirit fly. Me dep on the journey, Jah draw me nigh. Me travel light, me no own much, but me own peace, and that me clutch. Me own love, and that me trust. Me own a vibe, you can't corrupt. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Reggae music and ganja, yeah, man. Me wake up with the sun on me face. Jah blessing me step, me walk with grace. Me heart a drum, it beat in a pace that match the rhythm of this holy place. Me no need silver, me no need gold. Me need truth, me need a story untold. Me need the trees and the breeze them cool. Me need the fire to keep me soul bold. Me say love is me weapon, faith is me shield. Roots deeper than them plantation field. Me no fear them lies, me know what real. Rasta na bend, we never kneel. Inna the light of Jah, me find me way. Chanting praises till the break of day. Smoke rise up, spirit fly away. One heart, one soul, one word pray. Inna the light of Jah, me stand tall. Even when the wicked try to make me fall, me hold the line, me hear Jah call. Me no walk alone, Jah guide it all. Say chant down the earth with a holy tone. Plant love in a soil, watch how it grown. Me not talk war, me build from bone. From roots to crown, me clear me throne. I talk on me plate, me spirit clean. No no toxins in a me body or in a me dream. I grade herb make the vision beam. Me see beyond, me feel the unseen. Meditation pan mountain high. Me reason with clouds, me question sky. Me burn out doubt, me no ask why. Me just give thanks and let soul fly. Rhythm in a heartbeat, words in a flame. Jah give the gift, me chant the name. From Kingston Street to Addis Ababa, same Rastafari live, and me no shame. Me wear dreadlocks like crown of king. Me carry history in everything. Me voice a trumpet, me soul a string. Strum by Jah, hear the angels singing. At the light of Jah, me find me way. Chanting praises till the break of day. Smoke rise up, spirit fly away. One heart, one soul, one word praying. At the light of Jah, me stand tall. Even when the wicked try to make me fall, me hold the line, me hear Jah call. Me no walk alone, Jah guide it all. Them tell you lie about life and love, but me find truth in the flight of dove. In the moonlight, me pray above, for all the youths that search for love. Me say unity, that's the real goal. No care your color, your young or old. We all bred the same, same story told. Same sun warm we, same night cold. So pass the chalice, make we reason. Talk about liberty, truth and season. No illusion, no false allegiance. Just Jah works and souls allegiance. Me they are still in a Zion flame. Me not chase fame, me not play a game. Me walk with honor, me chant Jah name. And every rhythm carry that flame. Zion echoes, we bring the light. Rhythm for heal, for open sight. Me not stop till the world unite. Inna the love and Jah might. source. Me draw me herb, me close me eye. Me spirit float to Zion high. Mystic smoke guide me soul. Higher meditation make I hold. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we no sleep. Mystic smoke bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herb a healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Every puff a vision clear. Me sight ancestors them draw near. Them whisper truth from long ago. But how we rise when we stay low. Me burn me herbs in a sacred rite. And dreams reveal in a silent night. No rush, no worry, no enemy. Me free in a disarray. Na 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 na. Ganja with reggae music, yeah man. Inna me yard where the herbs grow free. Under the moon and tamarind tree. Me plant me peace, me water soul. Me dig in a earth and me feel whole. No Babylon light, just sunbeam. No concrete cage, just river stream. Every morning me greet the breeze. Chant of psalms and rest in ease. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me live simple, give thanks for name. One love, one pot, ital flame. Cook with spice and ancient name. Me meditate in a early light. Me puff the chalice, mind take flight. Sound of bird and I a bingy drum. Me heart beat like ancient one. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Me see youth them lost in digital smoke. But me burn the green, feed truth evoke. Inna the roots me find me way. Listen to the trees when them start fi pray. Me nah need clock, me move with sun. Me time divine, me rush fi none. Me play the rhythm with natural hand. From soil to sound, me overstand. Them ask Rasta, why you always smile? Me say, me live fi each holy mile. Me garden feed me belly and mind. Me herb elevate and me vibe kind. No poison food, no plastic beat. Me walk barefoot pan just street. Rasta life are roots and bloom. Me spirit dancing at the moon. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Me share me seeds with me nearby youth. Teach them soil, teach them truth. Music and farming hand in hand. Me build the future with sound and land. Me nah preach, me live example. Show them peace, show them humble. Each verse a vine, each note a root. Each beat a fruit of reggae fruit. So when life stress and storm blow hard, come to Rasta yard, come guard. Me pour your tea from bush me pick. Me chant a healing slow and tick. Light up chalice, let go fear. Inna the garden, Jah always near. Zion echoes call you home, where Rasta never walk alone. Na na na.
early when the sky still blue. Chalice light up, me thoughts feel true. In a bamboo grove, me soul retreat. Barefoot step, cool earth beneath me feet. Me draw from the pipe, exhale me pain. Me chant melodies in a smoke and rain. Bird them sing, tree them sway. Me heartbeat in a Rasta way. Bamboo talk, me listen keen. Them whisper secrets seen and unseen. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Each breath a blessing, each puff me know. Me vision clear, no mist in sight. Me float in rhythm, hold your light. Me burn me fire in sacred shell. Me meditate where silence dwell. In a bamboo meditation, me find peace, me find vibration. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me sit in circle with me brethren them. Drum beat rise like lion anthem. We pass the pipe in reverence. Smoke curl up like incense. Me speak of dreams, them speak of stars. We talk about healing, about ancient scars. Me nah need screen, me nah need phone. Me need the forest fi feel me own. Every leaf a teacher, every root a guide. Me overstand nature, me nah hide. Me soul in tune with bamboo's bend. It flex but never break me friend. So me live like that, humble and wise. Grounded in truth, high in the skies. Me burn herb not fi run away, but fi connect deeper every day. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me tread the land with no distress. Me heart beat strong, me soul feel blessed. Me meet the elder with eyes so deep. Him say, me youth, the mountains deep, but hold your name and burn it clean. Me see enough things that now fi seen. So me sip me tea and chant me rhyme. Me reason deep, me lose all time. Me not preach but me speak from heart. Me words are spark, me vibes are art. If you're lost, come sit beside. Light up spliff and ride the tide. Me give you rhythm, me give you flame. Me give you Rasta with no shame. From bamboo roots to clouds so high. Zion echoes, echo in our sky.
No. Babylon no stress, ganja help my soul, yeah man. Jadan Jalan. Raindrops fall pon the zinc rooftop. Me roll me spliff and a stop. Me girl asleep on me chest so warm. Thunder roar but me whole her calm. The fire inside still blaze so bright. Even though the sky lose light. Ganja scent and loving eyes. Me float away under stormy skies. No makeup, no show, no lie. Just her and I, real vibes high. The drops of rain I wash we clean. We love more deep than any dream. Roots in the rain, love still grow. Even when the wind a blow. Rasta heart and Empress soul. Together strong, together all. Drip drop fall, me still feel peace. She hold me tight, all pain release. Jah plant the seed, the love it stay. Roots in the rain, no fade away. We cook at all food, pan fire cool. Coconut still warm me soul. Me empress laugh when me sing off key, but still she say she love me melody. We talk about Zion, talk about dreams, about little youth and river streams. Me roll the herb while she chant a psalm. Rain still fall but the vibe stay calm. Even in thunder Jah love remain. Even in hardship we never complain. A simple life but rich in sound. With each heartbeat me love rebound. Roots in the rain, deep them go. From mountain top to valley low. Me hold her hand, she hold me heart. One love flow, we never part. Rain pan roof but light within. The herb and she a cure me sin. No diamond ring but me soul she claim. Together we stand in Zion name. She plant basil, me plant thyme. The garden grow in just time. Each drop of rain a blessing come. Each thunder clap a holy drum. She dance barefoot on muddy ground. Laugh like breeze and spin around. Me sit and watch with grateful eye. Thankful for love, me can't deny. She no need gold, she no need throne. She make me hot, feel like home. And even when rain a beat the floor, me love her deeper, me love her more. No morning come and sun arise. She still asleep with peace in eyes. Bird them sing and tree them sway. Another blessed Jah given day. Me give thanks for the storm last night. Fi show me love in darkness bright. She no run when things get tough. She ride the wave, she strong enough. So me light the chalice one more time. And praise the Most High for the sign. Roots in rain and still them thrive. Me love her more each day alive. Roots in the rain, still them rise. Like just sun in morning skies. Me empress real, me empress true. Me heart belong to share me crew. Even when the world feel cold, our love stay young, our soul stay old. From rain to shine we always grow. Roots in the rain, that's how we know. Even when the world feel cold, our love stay young, our soul stay old. From rain to shine we always grow. Roots in the rain, that's how we know. Nah, nah, nah. Kingston, Australia, man. Early morning light pan me face. Birds them sing, me rise in grace. Me roll a spliff with holy hand. Give thanks for the life Jah understand. Me backpack full with rhythms and vibes. Me spirit tuned to the ancestral tribes. Ital lunch, me queen pack sweet. Coconut water and tamarind treat. Me step on the road, barefoot free. No rush, just vibes, just let it be. Me sight the hills like lion's mane. Sun kiss the earth after last night's rain. We on a Zion road trip, no map, no fear. Blazing the herbs, chanting Jah near. From mountain peak to riverside, we ride the rhythm, we ride the tide. Zion road trip, turn up the tune. Dance in the dust till rise of moon. Me heart beat loud, me soul feel light. On Jah highway through day and night.
Me pull up on a yard in a sentence bay. Old Rasta say youth, you trod in the way. Heat brew me roots, tell story long. Of days of fire and nights of song. Me sit and reason under a key tree. About Marcus, Marley, Haile Selassie. Them days, them rough, but truth did shine. With love in heart and ganja in mind. Next stop, the beach where the breeze blow clean. Me float like leaf in the Caribbean dream. Me queen by me side, laughter loud. Me give thanks for life, me chant it proud. Smoke rise like prayer, like breath of earth. Me overstand, me soul's true worth. Meditation deep in
a coconut grove. Me find me center, me spirit move. It's not about riches or Babylon gold. It's love and freedom, story told. Each mile me drive, me grow inside. Each song me sing, me drop me pride. Zion road trip, we rolling still. With Naya bingy beats and higher will. Me nah look back, me nah regret. Each moment sweet like a bass duet. We ride, we blaze, we reason high. We reach for stars in a deep blue sky. On Zion road, me find me peace. With each new track, me soul release. Me meet a sister in a Negril breeze. She teach me healing with forest leaf. She say, smoke the herb but know it's more. It open gates, it open door. Me link with dread in a Mobile Hills. He carve wood drums and chant for thrills. He say, music a medicine, sound a key. It unlock chains Babylon can't see. Me reason deep in a Portanio. Me write a verse in a root scenario. Each stop, each soul, each firelight. Add to the vision, me chant tonight. As me ride back home pan country lane. Me carry joy, me carry no pain. Me leave behind stress and lies. Me live for truth, me spirit rise. Jamba with coconut, yeah man. Jamba with coconut, yeah man. Early morning mist, still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes closed tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right in a me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit on rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta art, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb. Me chant me psalms, me soul disturbed. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reason in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no ace, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren as myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal me inner sight. Me dreams become me guiding light. And in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me on. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along. Each note a healing, holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge the space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space, only love and Jah grace. The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, me mind expand. Me walk through Zion in a sun. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me faith. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again each blessed morn. Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing.
A little fire, a ganja leaf, a reasoning full of soul relief. Me on a herb for what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors, feel my mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light, me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel. Ganja Temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed.
Ay, 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 ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me rise before the sun come up. Me sit by me window, drink from Jah cup. Me inhale the herb, exhale me stress. The silence talk, me mind find rest. Me chant psalms in a belly of dawn. Even when road rough, me heart stays strong. Me nah follow Babylon, run them race. Me walk Jah Road, me find me pace. Me nah complain, me overstand. Blessings come with the work of hand. Me nah get tired, me nah get weak. Jah had the strength that me soul seek. Rasta never tired, no. Even through fire, me rise higher, yeah. Meditation and the Kaya light guide me footsteps through Jah night. Rasta never tired, oh no. Me soul keep moving, steady flow. Me drum beat deep like mountain call. Even when me stumble, me not fall. People rushing, system pushing, but me spirit stay cool, never crushing. Them run, them car, them chase, them goal. Me light, me spliff, me story unfold. Me sit pon sidewalk in a downtown heat. Me reason with elder, me stay discreet. Me learn from silence, me hear Jah voice. Me walk Ital path, me conscious choice. Me queen, she strong, she cook Ital stew. Teach the youths how love come true. Even when rain come hard and wild, me shelter the flame, me hold Jah child. Me nah need Red Bull, me nah need pills. Me climb me mountain with natural skills. Me burn me sage, me beat me drum. Even when them say me time no come, me pray for Babylon, but me no bow. Me plant me seeds in sacred ground now. The moonlight guide me in a map. Me nah lose faith, me nah fall trap. Rasta never tired, no lie. Me reach the stars without try. Herbs in a pipe, thoughts in a flight. Me live Jah truth day and night. Me beat Nyaya Bingi till morning break. Me give more love than me ever take. Me nah stop chant till system fall. Me answer the call, me give it all. Zion no far, it in your soul. It no need passport, it no need toll. It at the place where love reign free. It live in roots, it flow like sea. Me carry Zion in a me song. Each verse a wing, each note stay strong. Me build a temple with bamboo frame. Me cook Ital food, me call Jah name. Me smoke me chalice under the moon. Me heart in tune like reggae tune. Me nah sleep on Babylon bed. Me dream awake, me stay ahead.
So when the world feel heavy and rough, me remind myself, me soul is tough. Me trot through fire, me smile through rain, me dance through sorrow, me heal me pain. Rasta never tired, never fade. Me tune still strong like a razor blade. The beat still deep, me breath still long, me voice still chant redemption song.
Na 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 na. Jah bless the Rasta nation, man. Yeah, man. Me wake up early, sun kiss me face. Birds are chanting at the morning grace. Me stretch me arms like tree in bloom. The earth a healing tune. Me boil me roots, me sip me tea. Me pray to Jah, fi guide me free. Me walk barefoot through morning dew. Me feel the pulse of life brand new. Me nah need diamond, me nah need fame. Me riches grow in Jah name. Each bite of fruit, each leaf me steam. Ital life like sacred dream. Me heartbeat ital, no chemical war. Pure from the soil like Jazz avatar. Me soul dance clean, me body stay bright. Ital in me blood, ital in a delight. Oh oh, ital heartbeat in every step me feet. Me kitchen smell like ancient ground. Turmeric, thyme, and herbs profound. Me stir me pot with Rasta on. Each spice a prayer, fi overstand. Me bless me food before me bite. Ital feed me inner light. No meat, no poison, just what grow. Me follow Jah, me spirit know. Inna me yard, me plant me greens. Spinach, callaloo, healing beans. Me love the dirt pan me fingertip. Each harvest come with jammanship. Me climb the hill when world get loud. Me find peace in the highest cloud. Spliff in a hand, me thoughts them slow. Ital vibration start fi flow. No judgment here, just clean intention. Me board me sage, fi soul redemption. Meditation like river stream. Ital man, live him dream. Ital beat like Naya Bingi drum. Pure and deep, it never done. Rhythm in a belly, melody in mind. Ital soul of Rasta kind. Me sing Ital heartbeat in every herb me eat. Me gather me youth round fire glow. Me teach them how the Ital grow. Respect the land, respect yourself. True wealth come from natural health. We dance to drum, we chant in circle. Me tell them story in a miracle. Oh Rasta live, oh we stay true. No plastic vibe, just morning dew. Me queen a smile, she prep the dish. Ital stew pan coconut wish. The moon rise up and bless the sky. And Jah whisper through firefly. So live vital, love vital, breathe vital too. It's a way of life for me and you. Smoke your herb, but clear your mind. Ital living, make you kind. Me heartbeat dance to earth drum call. In Ital life, me rise it all. Me not follow trend or fleeting fashion. Me live with roots and righteous passion. Ganja sweet kaya man. Me wake up early, sun just rise. Me give thanks for life. Me open me eyes, steam from the chalice. Me take one draw, me feel Jah spirit. Me stand in awe. Me no walk like sheep, me walk like king. Me know me roots, me crown me bring. Babylon push fear, me push peace. Me burn them lies, me chant release. Me nah beg friend, me trust Jah way. Me blaze me path, me light me day. The lion no worry about them trap. Me heartbeat dub, me soul stay strapped. Lion trod with head held high. Through smoke and storm, me still fly. Me no back down, me never stray. Me walk the roots, me walk Jah way. Me chant in rain, me dance in flame. Me nah look likes, me nah want fame. Me only want truth, me only want life. One draw of peace, no need for strife. Ganja is key, ganja a guide. Open me soul and clear me pride. It's not just smoke, it's meditation. A tool for break manipulation. Me sit pan rock, me sight the tree. Me reason with leaves, them talk to me. Me grind it slow, me chant me line. Me give thanks, me feel divine. Me not lost in cloud, me find me mind. Me let go hate, me stay aligned. From Ethiopia to jam down shore. Rasta chant, still strong, still pure.
Me fire burn from deep inside. Me no play small, me no run hide. Me carry touch from ancient time. Me lyrics real, me flow like rhyme. Me there for teach, not just perform. Me sing through silence, me ride the storm. Me voice a sword, me words a seed. Me plant the truth and uproot greed.
Lion walk through concrete street, but me steps still sacred, me heart still beat. Me light me chalice, me lift me soul. Me trod through life, fi reach Jah goal. Me nah stray, me nah bow. Me stand tall right here and now. Lion's way is path of flame. Me move with love, me chant Jah name. Me carry me locks like tree bear fruit. Me deep like sea, me firm in root. Me reason daily, me stay alert. Me protect me temple, me nah get hurt. Me know them system no one we rise, but Jah hide upon we look to skies. Me walk with earth under me feet. Me link with sun, me soul complete. Me travel the world, but me never lost. Me carry Zion, whatever the cost. Me no need plane for reach me place. Me find it through prayer, through smoke, through grace.
So when you see me blaze and smile, know me fight war in a humble style. Me no raise gun, me raise vibration. Me bring one love for every nation. Lion asleep, lion just wait. For time for rise, for clean the state. Me walk with herb, me walk with drum. And me sing till kingdom come.
Meditating at the Ganja Temple, yeah man. Me rise with the sun on me face. Me hear the drums in a sacred place. Barefoot walk through morning dew. Me feel Jah love in all me do. Banana tree and callaloo. Me pick me food, me heart feel true. Me no rush, me take me time. Every step a sacred rhyme. Inna the hills, me start me day. Me chant me thanks and then me pray. Rasta Road, I head so long, but me strong like Naya Bingi song. This a Rasta Road, me trod alone, but me spirit carry home. Ganja bone, me thoughts align. Every step a link to divine. Sacred path, no shortcut here. Me forward with no doubt or fear.
Me heart it drum, me soul it sing. In every breeze, me feel Jah King. Me meet a elder under fig tree. Him say, son, the road not free. You have to keep your soul intact, no matter how the world react. Him pass me chalice, me take a draw. Me vision clear, me overstand law. Not the law of man, but of nature true. Of balance, roots and sky so blue. Me reason deep with ancient man. Him story stretch like desert sand. Him speak of struggle, him speak of peace, of how the herb brings soul release. This a Rasta road, me trod in love, guided by these stars above. It no easy, it no quick, but every mile me spirit pick. Every leaf a sacred sign, every stone a message divine. Me travel light but me carry flame of Jaja love, me chant him name. Nightfall pon the hills again. Me build a fire, me ease me brain. Me draw me pipe and look to sky, and hear the wind start testify. Me child it whisper, hold your way. Keep firm and never stray. Me close me eyes and float inside. The universe now be me guide. Me dreams like rivers flow and bend. This journey it will never end. No destination, just vibration. A soul immersed in meditation. Me no eat no flesh, me mind stay clean. Me all a joy that can't be seen. It no come from wealth or pride, but from peace me feel inside. Me wash me locks in mountain stream. Me live me truth, me wall me dream. Each sunrise bring a brand new song. Me know this road will make me strong. Me chant alone, but not in vain. Me voices echo in Jah name. Each heartbeat drum, each breath a tone. Me walk through Zion all alone. This a Rasta road, me blaze it bright. Me soul a touch, me steps a light. No fame me seek, just irie ground, where freedom's roots and love abound. Ganja smoke, rise to the moon. Me soul it dance to ancient tune. Me journey long but me never tire. Me footsteps shine like Maya Bingi fire.
Na dreadlock swing in your man. Nightfall come, me sit alone. Stars above, me far from phone. One drop beat, me thoughts them slow. Inhale deep and let it go. Chalice in a hand, me close me eyes. Me mind drift to the endless skies. No noise, no war, no city fight. Just Jah light and peaceful night. Fire flicker in a moonlight breeze. Me soul exhale, me spirit ease. Ganja scent wrap round me dome. Me body here, but me mind gone roam. One drop dreaming float away into the airy Milky Way. Meditation, hold me tight. Ganja light, me soul tonight. No Babylon, no stress in sight. Me only need these stars and flight. Me rhythm pure, me heart so free. Me float on rhythm like ocean sea. Steam rise from the roots of earth. Ganja bless, me feel rebirth. Me hear the rhythm in me vein. Each heartbeat drum like jungle rain. Me no need no riches or gold chain. Just me plant me drum and nature playing. Every puff a step more near to the inner world. Me also dear. Birds still sing in a distant tree. Even them them feel Jah energy. Me thoughts them dance in harmony to ancient sound and melody. One drop dreaming, blaze the fire. Rasta chant, me soul rise higher. Me no sleep, me levitate. Me float on rhythm and meditate. Me leave behind all worldly game. Me hold to love, me call Jah name. The ganja plant, it lead me way. One drop drum, a guide me stay. Silence loud like thunder roll. When me listen deep inside me soul. No distraction, no illusion. Just me heart in sweet fusion. Me sight a vision, glowing bright of Zion hills and morning light. Me chant a psalms, me feel the breeze. Me soul now sailing across the seas. Every leaf a sacred sign. Every breath a link divine. No clock, no pressure, only flow. Me drift where only Rasta know. Me walk alone, but me never alone. Jah dey with I, me skin to bone. Me spirit dance, me footstep bless. No more fear, no more stress. Me roll another, me eyes half closed like mystic priest in sacred robes. The rhythm guide, me thoughts align. Me swim through space and cosmic time. Me no run from Babylon now. Me just float, me high like cloud. Me voice a prayer, me words a key. Unlock the soul, set me free. One drop dreaming, stars me bed. Reggae rhythm in me head. Me now wake till morning rise. Me drifting deep through moonlit skies. Urban heartbeat blending one. Me soul a spark beneath Jah sun. Me no escape, me elevate. Me live, me love, me meditate. Hey, I shine hot in the bang, yeah man. Light up the chalice, me open me mind. The smoke rise up, leave the world behind. Inna the hills where the silence sing. Me hear the call of the Rasta King. Me not chase riches, me chase vibration. Each puff a journey, each breath salvation. Me third eye open, me vision clear. Jah whisper truth, me long for hear. We fly high on a mystic plane, beyond the borders of worry and pain. Roots deep yet stars in sight. Lion guide we through the night. Mystic high, me soul take flight. Me chant in a darkness, me shine like light. Inna the clouds, me spirit roam, but me heart always find home. Me burn the Babylon lies one by one. Let them fade like mist and the morning sun. Me levitate pan rhythm like leaf and stream. Each tone a portal, each bass a dream. Me dance with the ancestors, chant them name. Call them in circle, call them with flame. Smoke her like serpent, wisdom wide. Me inhale peace, exhale the pride. Me nah last, me just elevated. Them call it high, me call it sacred. Is not the herb make you blind or slow. Is the world that lies bout what you know. So take a draw and close your eyes. Me show you lands beyond the skies. No
no passport, no plane, no ID card, just ganja leaf and Jah as God. We fly high on mystic ride, Zion calling from deep inside. Rootsman vision, ancient code. Me carry the fire, me walk the road. Mystic high and it not fade. Me meditate where lions laid. Echo in a mind, thunder in chest. In the smoke me find me rest. Me nah fear death, me nah fear man. Me only fear fi forget job plan. So me chant, me write, me build again. A temple of dub in a heart of men. Me sip coconut under stars so wide. Me reason with moon, me nebula guide. The cosmos listen, me soul respond. Every rhythm a bridge, every note a bond. Lion fly through sky. Harp so sweet, me nah ask why. Truth in smoke, love in sound. Hung in a mystic high, me Jah is found.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Cushion of the bung, yeah, man.
Me rise up early, hills them blue. Birds them a sing like them know truth too. Steam from me kettle, curl like cloud. Jah whisper in breeze, not too loud. Me sit pon the rock, me eyes them close. The wind attack in poetic prose. A spliff in a hand, me soul it roam. Me temple na concrete is mountain me home. Can you hear the mountain call? A voice so ancient it shake the wall. Breathe the smoke and feel the drum. Nature speak and wisdom come. It's not just weed, it's sacrament. A portal open, me soul ascent. Me nah run fast, me trod with grace. The mountain teach me Jah's own face. Underneath the cedar tree, me learn say freedom no come free. It's not just ganja in a my palm. It's balanced love and sacred calm. Me sight a lizard, watch me move. Even the creatures them feel the groove. Me wrap the leaf like ancient scroll and blaze a message from me soul. Me hear them say Babylon bright, but me prefer the moonlight night. Me nah need gold, me nah want praise. Me just need truth in a natural ways. Rasta na comfy entertain. Me comfy cleanse the heart from pain. Me chant and burn the holy flame. Me nah play hype, me nah seek fame. Call out the mountain, echo strong. Through the smoke and sacred song. Me feel the wind, it carry me thought. To Zion gate, me vision caught. Blaze the pipe, me mind expand. Me see Jah work in sea and land. Steam rise high like Rasta man prayer. It floats to Jah, yes everywhere. Me sit in silence, eyes them low. Time slow down, me spirit glow. Me see string grind, me bread a light. Together we chant through the night. Me hear the Naya, bingy sound. In every rock, in every ground. The rhythm natural, the bass is deep. Me meditate until me sleep. A journey start with barefoot step. Not in a city where hearts forget, but on the trail through roots and vine, where man and earth align divine. Me leave the stress of modern day and find me peace the Rasta way. A sip of tea, a touch of breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart find ease. Can you hear the mountain cry? It sing of love beneath the sky. It call
Call me back to source and root, to plant me soul like sacred fruit. Steam and rhythm, dub and flame, me rise in love, not just name. Call of the mountain, never lie. It's Jah who chant through breeze and sky. So me go with bag of herbs and heart of fire. Me trod up hills, me rise up higher. With one last draw and a humble sigh, me whisper Jah guide beneath this sky.
Na 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 Jamaica reggae man. Sunrise a kiss, ice skin. Me wake up early, chant within. Steam chalice pan mountain top. I give thanks, nah ever stop. Me inhale wisdom, exhale pain. Smoke rise up like jarrain. Me eyes are closed, me mind wide open. In a silence, prophecy spoken. Livity high, me fly, me soar. One draw take me to Zion door. Me nah need gold, me nah need fame. Just title, food, and your name. Smoke, meditate, elevate. Me walk with peace, me carry no hate. Me chanting breeze, me live the truth. This your reggae, a fountain of youth. Me dreadlocks full of story, each twist a memory, glory. Me walk barefoot on red dirt, earth a speak, me not feel hurt. Me burn the herb, me free me soul. One flame, one bowl, one goal. Babylon a stress them system mash. Me sit under tree, me na rush, na crash. Livity high, me feel no chain. Me dancing sun, me dancing rain. Ganja green, pure and clean. Grow with love, no chemical scene. It open door where I can see. Me connect to Jah so naturally. Smoke, meditate, elevate. Let your soul resonate. Meditation a daily key. Fi unlock what inside of me. In a silence, me hear the drum. Heartbeat of the kingdom come. Me sight them lion in my mind. Me walk with courage, me not blind. Me burn the chalice, fi higher thought. Fi learn all what the school not taught. Me float in rhythm like leaf palm breeze. Me chant to Jah with deepest ease. I not compete, not compare. Jah blessing fall like it already there. Me build me them in a head and heart. Reggae the map, me soul the chart. Livity high, me fly me roam. Smoke take me straight to home. Ganja guide, I through the dark. Light it up like holy spark. Me not last, me found me way. Each draw a prayer, each night a day. Smoke, meditate, elevate. This your life, me celebrate. So if you're stressed and you can't cope, take a breath, release the rope. Sit still, burn the fire slow. Let the Rasta river flow. In a rhythm, in a earth.